everyone, this is Dr. Ananya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about symptoms of cancer. Before beginning this video, I'd like you to subscribe to my channel so that I can share all the valuable and useful information with you. First of all, let us quickly understand what is cancer. Cancer is basically abnormal growth of cells. Cancer do not have any specific symptom or sign that can indicate this disease. But there are some symptoms that occur with cancer which we'll discuss today. The very first is presence of persistent cough and blood in saliva. These symptoms may also represent infections such as bronchitis or sinusitis. They could also be a symptom of lung cancer. The other one is changes in bowel habits or bowel movements. Presence of pencil-thin stools can be associated with colon cancer. Sometimes people with cancer experience diarrhea. The other one is presence of blood in stool. Although there can be many reasons of presence of blood in the stool which may not be cancerous but still needs to be evaluated. So if you find blood in your stool or the color of the stool is black, it is important for you to visit a doctor. The next symptom is unexplained anemia. Anemia in simple words is known as low blood count, which means there are low numbers of RBCs than the normal. There are many reasons of anemia. Iron deficiency is one of the most common reasons of anemia, but many cancers can also lead to anemia. The next one is having breast lump or nipple discharge. Most breast lumps are non-cancerous tumors, which can be fibroadenoma or cyst. All the breast lumps must be investigated thoroughly to avoid the possibility of breast cancer. The next one is presence of lumps or cysts in the testicles. Most of the men with cancer of testicle may have painless abnormal cysts. This sometimes can also lead to enlargement of testicles. There can always be other reasons for this enlargement of the testicles. So it is advised for men to do a self-examination every month. The other symptom includes changes in urination. Most of the changes such as frequent urination, changes in urination such as a small amount of urine, frequent urination, or pain during maturation can be a sign of cancer. Also, these signs can indicate urinary infection. Presence of blood in urine can also be a sign of kidney cancer, although these symptoms are present in other infections as well. Hoarseness of voice, which lasts longer than 4 weeks, must be evaluated as well. This hoarseness of voice can be either caused by simple allergy or it can be due to some polyps, which is the first sign for throat cancer. Also, you need to have a sharp eye on the changes that are happening on a mole or a wart. Moles that are multicolored or bleed or do not have any regular borders need to be monitored. If there is a mole that is increasing its size over the time, then this indicates a sure visit to a doctor. Along with this, there are some other common symptoms such as night sweats, fever, continuous itching in genital or anal area, headaches, back pain, pelvic pain, and bloating. The symptoms I mentioned above are not specific to cancer. They can also be due to other infections and other conditions. So if you have any of these symptoms, it's important for you to visit a doctor. Based on your symptoms, your medical history, and your family history, if a doctor suspects there is a chance of cancer, he might advise you to take some tests. And based on those test reports, he might talk with you to develop a treatment plan that works best for you. So it's highly advised that you should not ignore any of the symptoms. Also, you must be more careful if these symptoms or any other symptoms do not heal over the time. And that's the end of this video. If you have any questions or any suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.